Hey, what's up, YouTube? Gonna do a quick video here doing a all keys lost on a it's a 2015 Mercedes GLK. It's a W212 EIS, and gonna be using the Key Tool Plus and one of the X-Horse cables to connect to it to do the job on bench here. So first thing we're gonna do, I guess we'll get everything plugged in. And this goes into the OBD on the scan tool. And this one actually needs power. I've got my bench power supply. I'm going to plug power in here. And that should get us communication. We've got an email programming, bends. And we might be able to automatically diagnose it here, so we'll just go with that. Normal. Okay, and it does it. It did automatically identify it as 212. Reading EIS data. There's our EIS data right there for the vehicle. But we notice no passwords. We'll have to get that. And I'm going to go ahead and save it. And I'm going to change the name on it here so I can identify it later if I need to. And I'm doing lost all keys. So we already got it plugged in. We can see up the top of the tool here with the bench supply, we're at 13 volts. Okay, I've already got our IR adapter plugged into the Key Tool Plus. And it's just going to ask us to insert it into the lock. And now it's going to go ahead and hopefully calculate the password here. So we'll just let it do its thing here, and when it's done, we'll hopefully have a password and be able to generate a key file. Alright, it's finished there collecting data, so I'm going to go and save that. And I'm going to just label it again here so I can find it later if I ever need to. Now we're going to upload the data, and that should be able to get us our password. All right, and that was quick here, only a couple of seconds. And I've got our password. I'm going to snap a picture of it so I've got it. Perfect. I'll hit OK. And it's went ahead and it has saved it to the clipboard for us, so we can now do keys. Now we're going to go ahead and load the EIS file from earlier. And now our password's actually filled in, which is perfect. And just confirm it. And we're doing a half smart key. I'm going to remove the IR adapter now as I don't need it right now. Alright, we'll go ahead and save it. And you notice up here it's in folder 4C4. See that right up here. And now it's going to go ahead and hopefully prepare key files for all 8 slots. Alright, got our key generations complete here for all of our files. And we hit OK. And 4C4. And we can go through here, just shows us that 1 is used, 2 is used, the rest are not. So we'll just make this key 3. And it's going to just have us put the key into the VVDI, or the Key Tool Plus IR reader up top there. Hit OK. And now it's writing our key. Alright, so now it's telling us that the key was written successfully. And now we should be able to just put it into the car And basically what will end up happening is the red light will come on the key, and then it should go out when the EIS accepts it, and then we should have a programmed working key after that. So that's just showing because it's key 3 and key data. We'll hit OK. And this activation part doesn't really apply to these. I've only ever had to do that on W210 and not even all the time on those. So we should be done now. We're going to go ahead and grab the EIS. And try to see here if you guys can see on the key itself here, a little red light should come on when I insert this in. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but it was on for a second, then it went off. And now we should actually be all finished here. The key light came on and went off, so the key should actually be working. So there we go. It's all keys lost on a W212 EIS. And that's all I got for this video, guys. If you have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.